learn to add two numbers, subtract two numbers, multiply two numbers, and divide whatever you can by two numbers. Let's do it. So same like yesterday. Just open Sublime and start coding by pressing have clear, import library, stream, using name as 3D, int main. So we have to define the variable of int type, float type, double type, whatever we want to use. We use int for numeric value without any decimal. We use float for decimal value, and double for more accurate, means more larger decimal values. Just like when we have to count the racing speed of Usain Bolt, then we have to use double because that timing is measured in more milliseconds. But now we have to use int because we just try to add or subtract. That's why int num1, num2. That's it. And we have to take the input from the user. So cin num1, num2. By this we can enter the value by the user. And now we can also define a variable sum, subtract, multiply, divide. Okay, and here for sum we just have to use num1 plus num2. That's so simple. And to see out it, by see out we can print the sum value. That's so easy. Now this is sum, and now it's a turn for subtract. Subtract is equal to num1 minus num2. You can choose whatever the bigger value is. See out sub. Now it's time to multiply, and we will num1 multiply num2. Okay, now it's time for divide. Divide. Num1 divide num2. That's so simple. Print the divide value. Divide. Now you have to do some editing in this code. Just like whenever you print the sum value, just mention it. This is print value. Just like this. Sum. And after this you have to use handle for the next line, and you can also use just like this \n for the next line, but we are using here handle. That's nice. And here also we will see it. Fine. I hope you got it. Okay, let's compile again, and you will see there's not any error. And let's compile through terminal. First of all, you have to go to the respective address, cd documents, cpp. That's it. We are there where the program is stored. And now g++, file name, basic operation .cpp. That's O. Now basic .out. Get it? Now after pressing enter, the g++ compile this program. Now the compilation is completed, and there is not any error. If there is any error in this program, then it will get shown here automatically. Now there is not any error, so just output ./basic basic. We are using here basic.out. That's what we will write. Same here, basic.out. That's what we are assigning here, the name of the output. Okay, so here this program wants to take some value from us, so we are assigning 25 first value and the next value is 45. Okay, you will see magic now. The sum is 70, the subtract is minus 20, multiplication is what's the multiplication, baby? We haven't printed the value of multiplication. We double use multiplication. Yeah, it is compiled. And now just press dot plus basic. Okay, dot out. That's it. And the first value is 50 and the second value is 10. And now, so the sum is 60. Let's zoom it so you can get clearly. We assign the first value 50 and the second value 10. The sum is 60. The subtraction is 20. The multiplication is 500. Let's compile again. The first value is 70 and the second value is something like 30. The sum is 100. Okay, correct. Subtraction is 40. Correct. Multiplication is 2100. That's also correct. And the division is 2. Do you know why here is 2? Because this is integer type. And the accurate answer is 2 point something. And what the value is? 30. 2.6666. Let's use float here. And we will see what's the change. Float. Got it? Now this is float and we will see some magic here. Yeah, this will compile again. That's it. Now check some value just like 40, 20. Here is the sum is 60. That's right. Subtraction, that's also 20. That's also correct. And the multiplication is 800. That's fine. And the division is 2. This is perfectly 2 because 20 divides 40 by whole number. That's 2. And if we are using some values that doesn't divide whole, just we can take another example. We can take the last example. It's like 70, 30. Same. Sum, subtraction, multiplication, and the division is 2. Do you know why? Because what is that? Yes, that's the value of division. Got it? So I hope you got it and stay cool. See you next episode.